Welcome back to Shrujna and me. Today in this video, I am going to share you some of the beads neck chains which you can do it yourself. Let's get started.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
To make this necklace, I have taken golden beads, color beads or glass beads, gear wire, pendant, hook, small gold color beads and nose player. First I have taken 25 inches length gear wire. To this gear wire I am adding 3 glass beads and 1 gold color bead. In this way I will repeat the same 6 more times. After repeating the same, total 21 glass beads and 7 gold color beads should be there. To do this neck chain, just I have invested 160 rupees. Beads cost, pendant cost, everything as mentioned in the description box. After adding these beads, I'll add pendant to this gear wire. This comes at the center. To the other side also I'll repeat the same. After adding 21 glass beads and 7 gold color beads to both sides, I felt lengthwise it might be short, so again I'm adding 3 more glass beads to the both sides of the gear wire. Finally I'll add the small beads. Nearly I'm adding 15 small beads to both sides. Last but not the least, finally I'll add hook to this gear wire. After adding this, I'll bring back this gear wire into this bead. With the help of the nose plier, I'll press it like this so that it will become flat. Now beads also will not come out. This excess gear wire, I'll pass it back to beads so that it will not prickle when I wear this necklace. In the same way I will do it to the other side also. Now I will show how to do hangings. For this I have taken crimp, glass beads, gold color beads and hooks. First I'll take this crimp and I'll open the loop. Now it look like a question mark. Now I will add this hanging kind of gold color bead to the loop and I'll close this loop. Now I will add glass bead and gold color bead to this crimp. Now I'll bend this crimp into 90 degrees and I'll remove excess and I'll add hook to this crimp. After adding hook, now I will make a loop.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
To do this, I have taken crawl beads, gear wire, gold color beads and hook. First I have taken this gear wire. To this gear wire I am adding 25 crawl beads. Now I will add 1 gold color bead and again I will add 2 crawl beads. In this way I'll repeat the same another 5 more times with 1 gold bead and 2 crawl beads. This gold color beaded part is going to come at the center. This necklace is neither long nor short, in between it will be. Now again I will add another 25 crowel beads. In this way, after adding all the beads, now finally I will add hook to the one end of the gear wire. Now I'll bring back this gear wire to the first bead and I'll press with nose plier so that beads will not come out, and the excess gear wire I'll insert into other beads. In the same way I'll do it to the other side also. After adding beads, final output will be like this.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is
To do this, we need thread, needle, hook, small pendants and crystal beads. First I have taken 4 strings to the needle. Now I am adding 20 beads. As per your requirement, you can add n number of beads. This one I am making as a neck chain, so only I have taken 20 beads. In this way, after adding 20 crystal beads, now I will add pendant. After the pendant, again I will add 4 more crystal beads. In this way, I will repeat the same for another 8 times. In this way, after repeating the same, now again I will add another 20 crystal beads. Finally, I will add hook to the one end of the string and I will give knot. In this way, after adding hook to the one end of the string, to the other end of the string, I'll attach this loop. Now final output will be like this.
hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
To do this, I have taken beads, needle, thread, pendant and hook. First I'll take this pendant. To this pendant, there are 2 loops at the edges. Now to the one end of the edge of the loop, I'm adding string and I'll give knot like this. This one I'm going to make it as a neck chain, so nearly I'm adding 40 beads. After adding beads, finally I will add this hook and I'll give knot. Now this is done. In the same way to the other end also, I'll attach loop and I'll give knot.